Hey guys, welcome back to my doll world. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a really cute hairstyle. I have Blair Wilson right here. I'm going to show you how to do it on your doll's hair. I'm going to be demonstrating Blair Wilson. This is her outfit for today. Flowers, super cute. Sorry you can hear my brother, he's very annoying. I'm filming this at 11:23 p.m. so please ignore the darkness. Yeah. Okay. So, first you're going to start with brushing your hair. You might want to wet it before you do it. You want to put some water in it. That'll make it easier to get to. I already put water in her hair, so I'm just going to continue brushing it. So, brush it. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what this hairstyle is called, so I call it the waterfall. It's really cute. You can do it on curly or straight hair. It doesn't matter. So first you brush their hair. Okay, and then you take you take a really small front section. I'm going to take about a third of her hair. Okay, so you take the amount you want to take. You take a very small portion of her hair. You don't want to split it in two sides. This is very specific. You want to get a front section of her hair. Once you have the section you want, tie up the rest of her hair. And I'll show you what that looks like in a second. And I'll tell you why we're tying up the rest of her hair. We're tying it up because if we don't, it'll interfere with the braid we're trying to make. So, it's just tied up. It doesn't have to be in a braid or anything. It just has to be like in a ponytail or whatever you want. It just has to be up and out of our way. So then you have this. This is how much hair I have from the whole thing. Not a lot. It's only a little. So then you're going to start braiding. If you don't know how to braid, it's simple. You just take 3 sections. You split the hair into 3 sections. Take one section and then wrap it around the middle section. So you take the beginning section, wrap it around the middle section, and then wrap the end around the middle. And then keep repeating as so. So, yeah, I'll see you guys when the braid's done. Okay guys, just about done. Alright, last one. Once you're done braiding the hair, you're going to get a hair tie and tie the bottom so that it's secure and the hair cannot come out. Okay, so it's in a braid, just a cute little braid in the front of the hair. The front, so it's only in the front, remember, not in the back or the other side. You can do it on whatever side you want, by the way. And then you're going to repeat it on the other side. So you're going to take the hair out of it, ponytail, or whatever you put it in. You're going to then take another chunk of the hair and tie the rest up again. Then you're going to want some more hair ties. You're going to need one more hair tie for this. So go get another hair tie. And keep the 2 that you already have in and grab one more to make it 3. And then after that, you can add ribbons or whatever you want to this hairstyle. Just make it cute. You could add like things in the braids and stuff. Like just add something cute. You can add little clips after or something. Then once you have, sorry, my phone just charging one. Okay, so once you have your hair, then you're going to brush it. Brush that chunk of hair that you picked. Then, I'm so sorry for my brother, guys. He keeps screaming on his game. Okay, then you're going to just braid it again. Remember how I braided it last time. If you forget how to braid it, just go and watch the clip where I told you guys how to braid. Okay. So just quickly braid it, and then once you're done, you're gonna add that hair tie in. I just finished braiding, then you're gonna add that little hair tie in. So the waterfall braids are really cute though. So you have the braids. Then you want to take your hair down from the ponytail or whatever you have it in. Again, you want to take your hair down. By the way, guys, really quickly, I want to say I'm saving up for an American Girl doll. So I will do an unboxing video if I end up getting her. I almost have enough money. It's a Welly Wisher doll. It kind of looks like my doll Ashley when she's a Welly Wisher. But, her name's Willa. She's super cute. And I really want her and her accessories. So then brush the doll's hair that you just took out of the ponytail. Or whatever. Brush it now. And if you need to use water to make it easier, go right ahead. Be my guest. Okay, then take the braids. Listen carefully. Take the braids. Alright, hold on guys, sorry. You're going to take the braids and wrap them around. And you're going to put them with the other hair. And put them with the hair. Then you're going to take a hair tie and put it up. And then it's going to be connected to it. Then it's going to be connected and it's really cool. This is actually amazing, so really cool. I love this hairstyle, it's adorable. So pretty much, yeah, that's it. Actually, this is how it looks at it's kind of hard to see. I need to find a good angle. So that's how it looks. It's really cute. So then you can also add like a little clip in if you want to. But that's how it is. You can see the thingies, braids in the back. So you want them to connect exactly in the back. And then you can put a clip in or something if you want to. But anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!